guys, welcome back to my channel. No, cut. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a look with the brand new limited edition Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 palettes. Now, I actually already have one and I got sent one in my BoxyCharm this month. So I am actually going to be giving this brand new one away to one of my subscribers. There will be details in the bottom of this video how you could win the palette. So just to start off, I did already prep my face. I am going to, off camera, go throw my hair up and then we will get started. So we're back. I have already gone ahead and prepped my skin for this look. I really wanted this video to be about the palette. I didn't want to waste a lot of time doing my foundation and concealer, so I already took care of that and got it out of the way. I am using, if you are wondering, I am using the Marc Jacobs Beauty foundation that is at Sephora and it does retail for $55, and I went ahead and followed it up with the Tarte Shape Tape, which you can also find at Sephora. I will link all of these products down below the video. Okay, so we are going in with the Tarte limited edition Rainforest palette number 3. I had no idea they came out with 3 of these. So I am already drawn. This is kind of like what the palette looks like. It's really cute. It is all shimmer shades except for one. And as you can see, I kind of was like poking and prodding in it already. So I am really drawn to this dark brown one, so I am going to swatch it on my hand and kind of see what happens. Okay. So it definitely is very shimmery and metallic. I'm gonna go ahead and do one of these. So this one, the one I just did, this one is called Malibu and this one is called Raise. So I'm not really sure what it's picking up on the camera, but it is almost like a really bronzy shimmer. I feel like these could actually double as bronzers or highlighters, to be honest. And then I'm gonna go ahead into this light one called Compass. Ooh. That's pretty. Okay, so to start out, I am going to go all over my lid with the one and only matte shade that is in this palette, which is called Tiki. So I have gone ahead and went over my entire lid with shade Tiki, which is the one and only matte shade in this palette. From there, I am going to take my blending brush and dip into shade Raise, which was that really pretty kind of golden bronzy color. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that up over my crease. So I have gone ahead and used shade Ray in the crease of my eye and kind of blended that up towards my brow bone. I'm going to then follow up with the darkest shade in the palette, which is called Malibu. I am going to place that inside my lid and I am going to be using my Sephora Pro Tapered Crease Brush to do this. and packed on and then blended out that shade Malibu, which was the darkest shade in the palette. I am going to get just a little bit closer for you guys so you can kind of see what's going on my lid. I am going to follow it up and pick a shimmer to put all over my lid. I'm kind of excited. I really like this palette so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is go in with my Tarte Shape Tape and cut this crease out so the color that I decide to do on my lids will really pop and shine and glow. I'm going to go back into my palette and I think I'm going to try this shade Escape right here. So I am going to go ahead and take just a generic eyeshadow packing brush and really get that into this shade Escape, and I'm going to go ahead and put it on my lid. Okay guys, so I did go ahead and pack that shade Escape onto my lid that I did cut that crease out. So I am going to get just a little bit closer. I really love that I did cut my crease out before I put that final color on, which was shade Escape. So from here, I am going to go ahead and do liner and lashes off of camera, and when I get back, we're gonna contour and highlight. I did do my lashes and my eyeliner off of camera, so we are going to go ahead in and do my contour, and then we are going to finish off with the lip. To go in with my Dalla palette for my contour. So for my contour, I am using my Dalla Palma Milano palette. That is a mouthful, and it will be listed in the bottom of this video in case you guys want to know more about the brand or the company. It is a palette that I purchased in Italy when I was in Europe a few weeks ago, and go in all the way with this palette. I am so excited. This is not my contour brush. This is my contour brush with this medium brown shade right here. I don't want to hit this super dark brown shade, but maybe I will. I'm not sure. We're gonna just play around with the color. My God, this is so pigmented. And like, if you guys can see, I'm like barely touching this pan. Taking my Lexi tapered highlighter brush and just ever so slightly dipping it into here. There is a lot of product already on that brush. I'm not afraid of a good highlighter, I just am not really sure what to expect. Oh my goodness, do you guys see that? I'm going to go in using the blush from the exact same palette. Okay Okay guys, so my contour, highlight, and blush is completed. I am going to go ahead and do my lip. So I think that I am going to go ahead in with my Jeffree Star Cosmetics, one of his original colors called Prom Night. And then I think I am going to follow it up with Candy Ass over top because I already know that Prom Night is just going to be way too bright. But I love it and I want to play with it. It's been a minute since I played with any of Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Let me know what you think in the description below. I had so much fun creating this and I really am happy that I actually tried the new limited edition Tarte palette. And don't forget, I am giving this brand new one away to one of my lucky subscribers. Just please read the description below this video for all of the details, all of the good stuff. I also will be listing my products that I used in today's video below in the description. So for now, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.